So, the Champions Trophy squad 2025 India has now been announced. It was announced pretty late. The squad was announced by Ajit Agarkar and Rohit Sharma. So, let's now get on to the squad. The squad was announced for both the England series and the Champions Trophy, and there were a lot of surprises thrown by the BCCI selection committee. That's Ajit Agarkar and the Indian captain Rohit Sharma. Remember, Gautam Gambhir, the coach of India, was not present in the press conference. So here is the squad for the Champions Trophy. Rohit Sharma captain, Shubman Gill vice captain, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul wicketkeeper. Backup wicketkeeper will be Rishabh Pant, Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Kuldeep Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah will be decided on how he is fit, on his fitness, is what is being said by Ajit Agarkar and Rohit Sharma in the press conference. Then it is Mohammad Shami and Arshdeep Singh. So pretty much a big surprise that Mohammad Siraj is not been picked in the England series as well as the Champions Trophy. That's a big surprise for us. Then we have Shubman Gill as the vice captain, because Shubman Gill, as Rohit Sharma said, we have to continue with Shubman Gill because we need to give him long form. So that's why he's the vice captain. He was the vice captain for the Sri Lanka series as well as the England series and the Champions Trophy too. So the squad, very much big surprises thrown by Rohit Sharma and Ajit Agarkar. So what you all think about this squad? Because there are a lot of things that need to be spoken over here. The probable 10, the probable 11 for Team India. What we decide is Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, Kuldeep Yadav, Mohammad Shami and Jasprit Bumrah. They have an absolutely strong batting lineup over here. If you could see Rohit Sharma, Gill, Virat, Shreyas, KL, Hardik, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar. It is a very absolute strong batting lineup, if you can say. This is a disdaining batting lineup which can cause havocs among all the teams. And India are placed, as you know, they are placed in the Group A, that's with Bangladesh, Pakistan and New Zealand. India play their first match on 23rd. Then they play Pakistan and then they play New Zealand. So that will be a great thing to watch about. And the England series, the ODI series, that will begin. So that's the squad also they announced. Jasprit Bumrah will not be in that squad. In place of Jasprit Bumrah, Harshit Rana replaces him. So here it is. Rohit Sharma, captain. Shubman Gill, vice captain. Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant, Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Kuldeep Yadav, Mohammad Shami, Arshdeep Singh and Harshit Rana. So this is the squad. Siraj has not been picked. That's the biggest question mark. Why Mohammad Siraj has not been picked? Because he has been an absolute brilliant white ball bowler. If you could see the World Cup T20, the 2023 edition, he was brilliant in his bowling. But the omission of Siraj raises a lot of eyebrows among cricketing fraternities. So let's see what this squad can probe when they play the Champions Trophy and even the England series that begins in February. The Champions Trophy draw begins on 19th and we will play Bangladesh, which will be our first game in Dubai. Remember, all our matches will be in Dubai and rest all the teams, they will play in Pakistan and all the India matches will be in Dubai. Whether India reaches final or semi-final, it will also be in Dubai. If India fail to reach semi-final and final, then it will be held in Pakistan itself. So let us know in your comments below what you think about this squad of Team India that has been announced for Champions Trophy. Did you want any more inclusions in the squad or any different players? because there were names coming up of Nitish Kumar Reddy, Rinku Singh, you can take Sanju Samson, Karun Nair. But we are happy with the squad that has been picked. Just that one thing that Mohammad Siraj is missing, because India need that pace battery to go bang bang. Because if you can see, Jasprit Bumrah, he has fitness issues of late. So let's see what happens in Champions Trophy. Do notify with your comments below. Thank you for joining in. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and take care.